So students, now let's start our activity 10.1, construction of various conic sections. So our objective for this activity is to construct different types of conic sections. So now let's start the method of construction for the given activity. First, take a cardboard of convenient size and fold and join to obtain a right circular cone. So in this way, as given in the figure, we have taken a cardboard and we have joined the two sides to obtain a right circular cone as given here. Take the clay and fill inside the cone. So take the clay and fill inside the cone to get a right circular cone of required shape. Form four more such cones of clay. Clay of same size. Put 3 cones on the cardboard and attach two cones through the wooden stick. Put the 3 cones on the cardboard and attach 2 cones through the wooden stick or thin straight rod. Cut these clay cones with the help of transparent sheet in different positions. So students, these are the 4 figures that has been obtained, that is cut in different positions using a transparent sheet. So these are the 4 figures, that is 1. figure is joined upside down in figure 4. The 2 cones are joined upside down and the other 3 cones are kept on a cardboard and cut individually. So in figure 1, cutting the cone in such a way that the sheet is parallel to the base of the cone. The cross section obtained is a circle. In figure 2, cutting the cone in such a way that the sheet is inclined slightly to the axis of the cone. In figure 2, we are cutting the cone using the transparent paper in such a way that the sheet is inclined slightly to the axis of the cone. And in this case, the cross section obtained is an ellipse. In figure 1, our cross section was a circle, and in this figure 2, when we are cutting it slightly inclined, the cross section obtained is an ellipse. Now in figure 3, cutting the cone in such a way that the transparent paper such a way that the sheet, that is the transparent sheet, is parallel to the slant height of the cone. And in this case, the cross section obtained is a parabola. In figure 1, our cross section obtained was a circle in figure 2. The cross section obtained was an ellipse, and in figure 3 the cross section obtained is a parabola when the cone has been cut parallel to the slant height of the cone. In figure 4, that is when the two cones are inverted over each other. So students, in the fourth point, in figure 4, the sheet is parallel to the axis of cone. Figure 4 was the two cones one over other, which has been joined by a straight wooden stick, and in this case the cross section obtained is a part of hyperbola. In this way, we have cut our cone in 4 different ways, and in the first we have got the cross section as a circle, in the second figure we got cross section as an ellipse, and in the third, when we cut it along or parallel to the slant height, when the sheet was parallel to the slant height, then the cross section was a parabola, and in figure 4, when the sheet is parallel to the axis of the cone, the cross section obtained is a part of the hyperbola. So students, now let's see the observations for the given activity. First, in figure 1, when the transparent sheet is parallel to the base of cone, the conic section obtained is a circle. In figure 2, the plane sheet is inclined slightly to the base. The conic section obtained is an ellipse. In figure 3, the plane sheet is parallel to the slant height of the cone. The conic section obtained in this case is a parabola. So students, In figure 4, the plane sheet is parallel to the axis. So the conic section obtained is the part of hyperbola.